Students, today we'll learn a very interesting concept from atomic structure about electronic configurations, that is stable configurations. What are the stable configurations? Today we'll learn with the examples of two metals, chromium and copper. As we know that electronic configurations are arised from concepts of atomic structure, starting with limitations of Bohr that was given by Max Planck, de Broglie, Heisenberg, the electronic sequence scientist about the filling of electrons, Hund, Pauli and Abba. All these quantum scientists have given the quantum numbers and configurations of electrons as a sequence. Suppose for chromium 24 it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons, 3s2, 3p6, the total 18 electrons. 4s is filled first, after that 3d, 4s to 20 electrons, and 4 electrons remain, that is 3d4. So what is the valence configuration of chromium? That is 3d4, 4s2. So if we see the configuration, 3d orbitals are filled with 4 electrons and 4s electron with pair of electron. So valence configuration of chromium is 4s2, 3d4. So on the basis of this valence configuration, it is predicted that the 4s2 2 electrons orbital is filled. The 3d orbital have the vacancy of 1 electron. So here what happens? Chromium itself takes electron from 4s to 3d and it acquires 3d 5 4s 1 configuration. It is stable configuration, or it is called as half-filled stable electronic configuration, because the 5 equal electrons are distributed in the d orbitals of chromium. So it is a half-filled stable electronic configuration of chromium. Next we see the example for the copper 29 at the electron configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 20 electrons here, 3d 9 electrons. So d9 means 9 electrons are distributed in 3d orbitals as 4 pairs, 1 single electron. 4s2, 2 electrons are there. So here copper also attains the stability by transferring 4s electron to 3d. So 3d 10 obtained from 3d 9 and 4s 1. So this is the stable configuration. Here all the electrons get paired for d orbitals and the paired electron giving completely filled configuration. It is a stable configuration for copper. So in this way, the chromium attains transferring electron half-filled configuration, copper attains stable configuration by transferring of electron. It is completely filled configurations. So in this way, the metals and elements in the periodic table, especially 3D metals, the lanthanides as well as p block metals, metalloids, acquire stable configuration by transfer of electrons on the basis of equal energy electron transfer after the concepts of the de Broglie, Heisenberg, Max Planck and the electron sequence by configuration scientists, the above Hund and Pauli. So in this way, the elements gets their stable electronic configuration as half filled and completely filled configurations.